Okay, so now that we've discussed inner joins at length, we're going to move on to outer joins. But first, I would like to talk about the difference between inner and outer joins. So for inner joins, tuples without a matching tuple are eliminated. Okay, so if there isn't a match, they're eliminated. They aren't included in the join result, in the relation that results from the join. In inner joins, tuples with null values, so those blank values, are also eliminated. In contrast, outer joins can be used when you want to keep all the tuples in one of the two relations or those that have null values. Okay, so now that we've talked a little bit about the difference, let's look at the three types of outer joins. There are left outer joins, right outer joins, and a full outer join. The left outer join keeps every tuple in the first relation in the resulting relation. If there isn't a matching tuple in S, the second relation, then attributes of S in the join result are null. They're null or blank. And then similar to left outer joins is the right outer join. And in a right outer join is the same as the left, but it's reversed. So in a right outer join, it keeps every tuple in the second or right relation in the result. If there isn't a matching tuple found in the first relation, R, then attributes in R in the join are filled with null values. And then finally, the full outer join. And for a full outer join, it's basically a combination of both the left and the right outer join, and therefore keeps null values in both relations, in the left and the right relations. Okay, so let's begin our examples of outer joins with left outer join. And for this example, we're going to use or return to our C relation and D relation. And it is the exact same relations that we've used in our videos to this point. And so for our example, we're going to do a left outer join. We're going to join C on D. Okay, we're joining C on D. So if no matching tuple is found in C, then the attributes of C in the join result will be null. And so we execute this left outer join operation, and the resulting relation is found on the bottom of our screen here. And so we can see that for each of our departments in the D relation, so economics, QA, QM, economics, and so forth, they include all of the courses for which there is a matching department code or D code, where the D codes match. However, philosophy, the course philosophy, or department, excuse me, the department philosophy, so department 9, does not have a course in the C relation. And therefore, as highlighted by the red box, there are null values where the rows from the C relation would normally be. And for our next example, we're going to do a right outer join. And as I mentioned in our introduction to outer joins, the right outer join is just an opposite of the left outer join. And so what it's going to do, or what we're going to do, is keep every tuple in the C relation. And if there isn't a matching tuple in the left or D relation, it will be filled with null values. The result of our right outer join is at the bottom of your screen. And here we can see each course On the right-hand side, so we have Intro to Economics, Operations Research, and so forth. And then for those that have matching tuples, it's present on the left-hand side of the relation. So Intro to Economics is an economics department course. Supply chain is a QA/QM course, and so forth. Now, pay attention to the architectural history class, and you'll notice that it does not have a department code. The D code for architectural history is null, and therefore it does not have a matching tuple from the D relation, and as a result, those values are null in our right outer join, or in the relation that results from our right outer join. And last but not least, we'll look at a full outer join. And we're returning once again to our C and D relations. And we're going to do a full outer join on those relations where the D codes are equal. And remember that a full outer join keeps all tuples regardless of whether there is a match on the joining attribute. So we're going to keep all tuples from both relations in our resulting relation. And we can see on the bottom of our screen that we did retain the philosophy department, even though there aren't courses, and we kept the architectural history class, even though it is not associated with a specific department. And so this is what we mean by a full outer join, and in that we keep all tuples in both the left and right, and for those that don't meet the join condition, it's provided a null value. They're padded with null values in those attributes. Okay, and we'll conclude our lecture today by talking about the divide operation. The divide operator is useful when you want to identify tuples that match all tuples in another relation. So in this example, we have relation R that contains a number of courses and terms, and we're going to divide by a second relation, S, that contains a series of terms. And what we're looking for is a course that has all of the terms contained in relation S. And so the resulting relation is a single attribute relation course that contains courses that are offered in fall, spring, and summer 2016. And so it's MIS 3360 and 4374. All right, well, that concludes our first day of online lectures. I want to thank you all for spending the time to follow these videos, and hopefully you've learned everything that you would have in class via these videos. We will have a Zoom meeting in lieu of our regularly scheduled class meeting on Monday. And yeah, so everyone, please be safe. And I look forward to hearing from you all on our next class meeting. Thank you.